Hey everyone! As we battle through the most excruciating pandemic in our times, COVID 19, the government and public health organizations are working day and night to find ways to curb the spread while also reopen the economy. Every day, decision makers and authorities face difficult questions. Questions like how to strategically allocate ventilators and PPEs across the country, how to classify different areas or regions into different containment zones, which industries or sectors should be allowed to reopen first, and in what manner. Yes, this disease has taken us to the misery of questioning things that we always considered very trivial. But I truly believe that today the technology has empowered us enough to help in such situations. And here, the key element to help is data. We get huge information in terms of hospital occupancies, their locations, symptoms of people, information of new industries that are setting up every day to serve the essentials and whatnot. All this data is precious, and when stitched together, and if required, parsing it through the strong data science algorithms that we have worked over the decade, we can build useful insights to solve plenty of such problems. Now comes the big question: how to prepare these reports at this hour where we have limited resources and limited time. The field of data warehousing and business intelligence has appreciatingly progressed in the last decade. We have shifted from the hectic server-based convoluted scripts to concise drag-and-drop softwares. The recently launched Azure Synapse Analytics is a spearhead in this field, providing the facilities of data ingestion, computation, and reporting on a single integrated platform. It is well integrated with Spark, Azure Data Factory, Power BI, SQL, and Azure ML, making it a self-sufficient resource to process data at a blasting speed. Today we'll discuss how someone amateur to the field of data warehousing can quickly create real-time reports on this. In the first part of the presentation, we'll go through the features of Azure Synapse Analytics and how any one of us can onboard to it in no time. Post that, we'll have a discussion on scenarios where Synapse Analytics can be used not only as a key part for business users for telemetry, data insights, analytics, but can also be used by social enterprises and government administrations to build end-to-end product through the data they are collating from the people every day.